ya mundu ta wanja sali I don't know mega pito ni hanaine but ugithikiriria wega you will know that there's a difference to hanaine Joyce wa mama and all there's Joy wa masharia people are different so mwoka muhanaine re your lifespan here will be very short me I was just trying to help and I didn't mention anyone's name
okay
yeah
kwa ne oide
she alijirusha huko kwa moto akaambiwa if the shoe fits wewe vaa kiatu si mimi nimekuambia
kama inakutoshea
nimevaa yeah
na there's a certain video a certain guy aragia tiriri ati artist ya Mugithire now they are doing the same thing ilo ginya my fans magakinya hando makaigwa ru niona ndirenda guthi Mugithire because I listen to the same thing ukothi weine ore koina mwini ore koina drone haina danger such comments ciambia kuyumeria.
It is fine because they are the consumers Otari ugienderio chipo cia Red Room nyina wakana tonya theinde nyina wakana tonya theinde
wega kenge. Thank you so much. Asanteni sana. Roka emwe kwa emwe kuma kondo gwetagwo Kilimani Red Room. Na goko niko Red Room.
Red Room.
Oh, Red Room. Na goko niko the new experience ya Mugithi akore kihanika tariki 4 na karibia gakorwo goko gutigirira we mwiroreri kana we ugakinya goko ndona kiboeka no mbere ndaya atugeithie atwire mambo iko namna gani 2025 na kihana ate karibu sana.
Oya eroreri safari no ya Kuroria TV na DC kwa nimekuona na mandevu mingi hivi.
Sasa unajua nishaanza kuingia nini hata mimi nimechange.
Hizi ndiko ndira mukuheria ngona materu maige muno no ningenete muno gukonde haha muci wa Kuroria TV.
Twe guko kundu gwetagwo Kilimani na nini ndie ndakinya guko the first time.
Nduru wakinya? Karibu sana. Tutura guko
ithuĩ. Ndio ndora guko na ikero itamenyerete. Ndio ndirakirio na kuria uguo. Kuria chini ya maji no ndoka guko ni kuru ndiukaga riu. Kuhurukanga.
Sunona ni handu hega hahe hatari na maundu maingi ti na ndango yani ona ngihandu ngiona.
Tarikinya tugakorwo guko.
Tugakorwo guko.
Tatuhe experience ya gukorwo ugithaka Kilimani. You know the reception ya Kilimani na rege kuria kungikoretwo githie ni different. Tatuhe reception ya guko what do you expect?
Reception ya Kilimani hakwa I'm not a new person matura maya ukirikana tugecemania na Jose dainago Westlands bado thima dainaga Mugithi dainaga country but still audience yakwa nyingi koragwo mwena uyu na ngakena mundu ati ni manyitiriire ona that transition into Mugithi ni makoretwo nani no he na aria mafolire out it's okay so experience ya andu a Mugithi ari mwena wa Kilimani ni mendete Mugithi muno no but the fact that tutia amenerea maka yani ona ni ngumu sana kuja hiyo side na ni metetie muno Mugithi mwena uyu so gweciria ni matwetete na tugetika tunaitika mwito so we are here for you andu Kilimani, adwa Westlands, adwa Miene Ngong Road Karen, we are here for you. Kogo karibuni sana.
Kundu gwetagwo Red Room.
Red Room.
Date 4 kuingira kundu guko ni 2,500 regular.
Ngiri 5
VIP.
Yes.
Na matikaigwa shida ati ni besha nyingi.
Icio ti nyingi.
Amukuliga na ndona kundu guko ri. Ona hurukite hau kinywa kire wakorwo kinywa kana.
Ukaigwa pia ciaku ni valid. Wapi yo money ya.
Na niwega gukona a new experience ya riri. Ndio rigi tumenyerete Mugithi uria o kawaida tuona mundu agiuka guku experience kaundu takau ri gwicine wakorwo ndu mwega
tugaga atiriri ngai akurathima itikira ni wi murathima so
mwakorwo muri na aini angi
twakorwo na Samido twakorwo na Gatutura mwenyewe na DJ Dibul yes
wow karibi away from this how is music now?
Music is amazing. I'm very happy to be a musician today. And getani na kindo getago Mugithi. Transitionate. I'm still here. I am loving the music industry right now.
No, I hope to encourage a youngster araokira arenda kuigua ni ndirenda gutuika ta Karibi no ndirenda kuinaga Mugithi.
No demo encourage demo ire karibu sana industry tutinina nagira nyeki ngo kwiragwo industry nene muno you come bring your vibes na no ukwamukiro everyone has their own audience tari unie digiuga audience maybe mundu ta Joyce wa mama ni audience yakwa na vice versa o mundu okaga na sahani yake so karibuni sana yes
Karibi heri na video yako ikoretwo igetrend muno we kuria Dabi what happened?
Dabire turare ko the other weekend hakwa ndiyo niki ndira trend no kuringana na comments ndona andu makiuga andu marauga
kwa jitanire kidogo
hicho ni chelo
chelo
makiuga he nie
ya riu ri kai matrenda gikiri uguo kana
ngwiciria mamenyerete na mabuibui na riu nie ngauga atiriri I'm making a comeback. I've taken a very long break of 1 year. Na ngwiciria during that 1 year ni ngoretwo ngicurania ngiita kamucemanio ngai akanyonia njira uguo
ogwikira atia
well, dinauga andu mathie nui but anyway it was just an outfit. People loved it. When you walikuwa na contradiction, it's okay. Yeah, it's I'm an artist. What do you expect? Yeah.
So we kidire because you loved it.
I loved it. Yeah, it's amazing. Takire nui. I was not naked. Kana we urona we no amionire.
Ndiye ndonire video no ngwiciria na kuria wari ri. Ngwiciria uri ho haragirira thira according to
okay, dabi no kiwe no gacagine bado karatina. Ngwiciria audience yako no amenya tumeaka kidogo but they were okay. They were fine.
Online ni omena thira.
Online ni omena githigi.
Ona ndo kwenda kumona.
No, ni ndimwendete inyu othe mafans akwa online. I love you so much.
But there is a lot happening now na here na video ya Gasheni. Eleke ndimugweta tuto Gasheni na yakire video akiuga siji ni uramukireire akiuga ati instead ya kumukira you need to support her na kumuonia Gashera maundu maingi mari aririe mamwe itangihota gukorwo ihingienda kwaria but not twende ati what was your take na ningi meri ya Gasheni we wamioire hana ati
if you watched what I said on my TikTok data modo tiate goreto guku for forever and ever I know everything no goreto ho jukite mbere ya aria maroka ri I could give my 2 cents na ngiuga wega ngiuga atiriri tutu turaina nyimbo cia tene ni mararuta wira mwega muno ku revamp nyimbo cia tene no mumenyerere kuhanana I don't know manimani mone gukurana who is who
gukufania
that was my point now I did not mention anyone's name did I didn't so she took it upon herself kuiga upcoming akoretwo industry ni miaka igana thaici mundu gurite kinya ngari bado we ni upcoming I was not talking about her but anyway and alijieka hapo kwa pedestal akasema hey I like to address you nyene ndikahete gitio muno ni tondu she came into the industry and she made her name right no nyiti na thina nake we niwe wereheire gathina kau but anyway looking at the positive side ni ndaugaga airitu aria mara upcome ni maraina kaundu kahanaine and there's a danger in that in the near future mtasahaulika because you don't know who is who but if you can create a niche for yourself yani mundu akuigwa akamenya ni ngania tari ungithikiriria mundu ta Wanja Asali I don't know mega pito ni hanaine but ungithikiriria wega you will know there's a difference tutihanaine Joyce wa mama and all there's Joy wa Masharia people are different so mwoka muhanaine re your lifespan here will be very short me I was just trying to help and I didn't mention anyone's name yeah
kwa ne woire
alijirusha huko kwa moto akaambiwa if the shoe fits weva kiatu si mimi nimekuambia
kama inakutoshea
imevaa yeah
na there's a certain video ya riri a certain guy aragia riri ati artist ya Mugithire now they are doing the same thing iru ginya ma fans magakinya handu makaigwa ru niona ndirenda guthi Mugithire because I listen to the same thing uguthi wine ore kuina mwini ore kuina drone haina danger such comments ciambia kuyumeria
it is fine because they are the consumers otari ugienderio chipo cia Red Room ri no vie ore cia Thika Road ni chipo but they are different me my point is tari Samido agakorwo ha stage mena gatutura othe maina Mugithi no ndungigwa ta mahanaine and that is why over the years mareo haria riu aya okire maroka urenda ku emulate ngania na ni wega gukorwo wina mundu ra look up to but wathi kuhana na mundu ucio ungi ukorira that's my point koguo na points icio cia kugate Mugithi ni urathi kihana na bla 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 I guess mundu acenjie kuria athia Mugithi uke kundu ta Kilimani ona maundu ni tofauti mwena uyu
dogo kira kuina uhuruko hawiniro
hau ya reboga kinyo samba eni
No nyue njohi ina mbeca.
Njohi we sure. Ti counterfeit.
All right.
Wakeigua.
No, karibi kwina danger ya especially wakinya ni aini a mugithia iritu. Unaona hata kwina future, how is
a
future?
very big future. Ona dauma ku comment tha ici. Nika no niki ku vibes ame post. At the comparison kana kuga who is your favorite. Ngakena muno ati tha ici twena ahikita mugwanja. Mara line up how I love it.
But no there is Washuka, there is Ashini, and now there is Jenny something.
Oh, Jenny who? Jen Sings.
Sings, yeah, Jen Sings. Na gushiria ru acio nio ru aria togiuga atiriri after ru inyu mwihori aya ru nio maguka. An advice to them.
Yeah. I would advise them to keep going. Today we are actually you're killing people's dreams. I am not. I'm actually building you. Igemena mathina bere. No matana thi muno oi. Mabe meorie who am I? Who are my target audience and why am I doing this? Well, yes, you that too. You will find your path and you will move. Tariwa here don't amage comment how makauga. How is it that you're able to stay in the industry for this long despite kobashwa for so long? Gira industry ne dio igikuyu. Ona andu maigua ngiaria gikuyu kiogomanu, it's fine. Na ndo irio haha. Why? Because I came and I created a path for myself. Wow. As much as Dokire na Jose, I knew I had a vision. Ni direda uthihana na bado ndidakinya haria nyendaga by the way kurubia. So you upcoming, Julize, why are you here? Who is your target audience? Why are you doing this? Why shokiria ciuria icio? You will find your path.
Wow.
Na guthie mundu wa gukararia ever.
Karibi.
Yes.
Karibi.
Yes.
Ocio ne karibi.
Ni na ndira coach andu. Vocal training. Mundu raiwe na thina na vocal. Ni oke ndimuteithie.
Umuteithiririe.
Yes.
Wow. Thank you so much, Kari. Tukenete newe.
Thank you.
And enjoy will do more and more
to
encourage these people.
Yeah.
Aria upcoming yana maroka. Na aria gamana gwetwa upcoming.
Yes.
Na aria ona aria.
Na aria matuire upcoming miaka 10 is fine all there.
All there.
Yeah.
Thank you so much twakena.
Thank you so much.
Tucemanie tariki 4 guku.
Guku.
Red Room Kilimani.
Yeah.
Tuthie rwimbo turi hamwe. Bye bye.